This video will help you solve problems involving complementary angles, supplementary angles, and angles on a point. So looking at our first example, angle 1 and angle 2 are complementary. The measure of angle 1 is 2x plus 7, and the measure of angle 2 is 4x minus 19. Find the measure of each angle. So because they are complementary, that tells me that if I add together the two angle measures, so angle 1 plus the measure of angle 2, I have to get 90 degrees for complementary. So now I have to solve this algebraically. So I start by combining like terms. 2x plus 4x becomes 6x. 7 minus 19 becomes minus 12 equals 90. Now that I have my like terms simplified, I now can do my inverses. So my first inverse would be to add 12 to both sides. So my equation becomes 6x equals 102. Now I would divide by 6. And I get the value of x is 17. But now I have to go back and find the measure of each angle. So using that value of 17, the measure of angle 1 is 2 times 17 plus 7. So I'm getting 34 plus 7, which is 41 degrees. And the measure of angle 2 is 4 times 17 minus 19. So that is 68 minus 19, which is 49 degrees. Looking at our next problem, angle 3 and 4 are supplementary. The measure of angle 3 is 5x plus 22, and the measure of angle 4 is 7x plus 2. Find the measure of each angle. So now because they are supplementary, when I add together the two angles, because it's supplementary now, the total equals 180. So just like the last problem, now I have to combine like terms. 5x plus 7x becomes 12x. 22 plus 2 becomes plus 24 equals 180. Now I'm ready to start doing inverses. So my first inverse would be to subtract 24 from both sides. So I get 12x equals 156. I divide by 12. I get now x is 13. So now I have to find the measure of each angle using x being 13. So the measure of angle 3 is 5 times 13 plus 22. So when I do that, I get 65 plus 22, which is 87 degrees. And the measure of angle 4 is 7 times 13 plus 2. So that's 91 plus 2, which is 93 degrees. Find the complement of an angle that measures 23 degrees. So remember, complementary angles add up to 90 degrees. So to find the complement, I would subtract 23 degrees from 90 degrees, which gives me 67 degrees. Find the supplement of an angle that measures 53 degrees. Supplementary angles add up to 180 degrees. So I do 180 degrees minus 53 degrees, which is 127 degrees. Find the value of x. These are angles on a point. Remember, angles on a point have to add up to the number of degrees in a circle, which is 360. So if I add up all these angle measures, 58 degrees, 56 degrees, x, and 161 degrees, that total has to equal 360 degrees. And so I'm going to use my calculators on the left side to combine like terms. So I get 275 degrees plus x equals 360 degrees. And now I do my inverse work. So I would subtract 275 degrees. And when I do that, the value of x is 85 degrees. Okay, I hope this video helps. Please let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.